So, where do you want to start?
You have total creative freedom. Make this lair so fantastic that they'll want to put it on the cover. And then I'll say no.
Why?
Sorry, old habits are hard to break. It's great, but I'm not sure about the color. It just doesn't say contemporary upbeat take on evil.
This color is called Contemporary Upbeat Take on Evil Blue.
Too much plaid?
Maybe a little.
The rose petals and laser light show had a certain regal flair, but do we really need that?
I've never felt so free!
It's him! Hello! What a surprise! He hates it. I knew those unicorns were too much. I can explain. The one to blame...
I love it.
...is me. Yes, I really outdid myself, didn't I?
What? It was my design!
Under my supervision.
And my execution!
With my direction.
I just have one note. A 40-hour work week for the cherubs? Danger ups the entryway a little, and who knows, you might make the cover. I'll be back tomorrow with the photographer.
Did you hear that? The cover!
Great. Have fun supervising yourself. I'm out of here. Really?
What did you expect? I'm a supervillain! Now, once you're finished dangering up the entryway to my lab, I want to put it in an evil screening room. Cheer up! At least I appreciate you, unlike your so-called friends.